Hello friends, welcome to Vlogiffy Junction. Today we are going to make a South Indian delicacy which is also a sweet recipe and healthy too. For this you need 2 cups of chana dal. You need to soak it in water for half an hour and then you're going to add enough water to the chana dal. Keep it in the cooker, let it cook. Wait for 2 whistles, only then it will be softly cooked. And once it's done, you need to keep it down. Next, what you're going to do is, meanwhile, you can scrape the palm jaggery with the knife because there's no other way as far as I know. The palm jaggery should be 1 cup. Remember, for 2 cups of chana dal, we are going to add 1 cup of palm jaggery. Next, you're going to scrape some coconut. The measurement for this would be the same, that is 1 cup. And to add some flavor to the mixture, you're not going to add any artificial color or flavor. We are just going to go with the cardamom powder, that would be 1 teaspoon. Once your chana dal is cooked well, you let it cool down. See how it's cooked. You can also test it with your fingers. It should be softly cooked, and that's all. Everything is ready. Now we are going to melt the palm jaggery. You don't want a thick consistency, so we are going to add a very little water. And now you need to keep stirring it. Let it melt. Once it comes to this boiling point, you can lower the flame. Add the crushed cardamom or cardamom powder. To add a little more flavor, we are going to add dried ginger powder. This is not only tasty but healthy too. And now you're going to add the scraped coconut. And a very little salt. Keep stirring it. Now add the soft chana dal which is well cooked and cooled down. Remember, it should be in low flame. Now add a little ghee. Now off the flame and mash it with your spatula or spoon. Now for the mixture, or you can call it a coating, you need to add a little maida and a little water with some salt. Look at the consistency. Mix it well. Make small round balls with your hand. Keep the balls ready like I've done. This saves your time. Coat it in the mixture. Keep your oil ready. Deep fry them. And tada! Our Susiyam is ready. Trust me, it's very healthy, sweet, delicious evening snack. Enjoy!